I just said I can't sleep and not yawn. Perfect, love that for me. Anyway, so I'm up, I'm bored, I can't sleep. I'm gonna make a candle. I've been watching Iron Chef for the past like 3 hours. I'm tired. I'm tired of watching Iron Chef. So I got these jars from Hobby Lobby as well. They were having a sale on like all of their candle supplies, so I had to take advantage. Hobby Lobby is the best store. So it's just a regular, it looks like a jar that you would put a candle in. Hello. So I got two of them because I'm thinking about making one for my mom because she's supposed to be coming here Saturday. So I'm gonna make myself a candle, and I think I'm gonna make her one as well. So I have the two jars. I have 100% soy wax. I want to make a soy candle. They did have like coconut wax and beeswax, but baby, I learned how to do this on YouTube. So the only thing that I have is this soy wax. So I have this. Hello. I have this funnel that I'm going to use to double boil my wax so I can actually pour it into my candle. And I decided that I was going to make a coconut sandalwood candle because I'm making one for myself. I'm also making one for my mom, and my mom really loves like the coconut sandalwood candle from Bath and Body Works. So I just decided to go ahead and get one of those. So um, I want to see if I can do this, so I'm gonna try to do it. So let's just go ahead and get started. Excuse my countertop, it looks a fucking mess. Anyway, I'm gonna take my first jar. And I'm gonna use the candle jar to measure out how much wax I'm gonna need. So you have to take into account the melt. So this is gonna melt down to probably halfway. So I'm gonna fill it again and then dump that in as well. Oh God. I didn't get enough of this. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I promise we're gonna make it work. Hold on, because I'm missing something. Okay, and I decided I wanted to do wood wick candles, so I also got wood wicks. So that took up half the bag. So I think I will have enough wax to make the two candles. If not, then one candle will just be a little bit shorter than the other one, but that's okay. Or I'll just go to Hobby Lobby tomorrow and buy more wax. Oh my God, this was such a terrible idea. Okay, I'm gonna take some and pour. Oh, shit. I'm gonna add it in as it's melting because I don't want to overdo it. So all of this wouldn't fit. I'm gonna wait until this melts down and then I'm gonna add this on top of it. I'm just gonna get a saucepan, just enough to where this will fit inside of it, which it fits perfectly. I don't want to get too large a pot. So I'm gonna fill this up with some water and put it on the stove. They say that you don't want your wax to be too hot because it won't allow your fragrance to adhere to the wax. So I'm going to put my pot on high just to get it to a rolling boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to melt and we'll see what happens. Okay, so my wax is now, oh shoot, completely melted. This is all of it, every last drop, and it is too hot for me to add my oils to because they're not gonna adhere. So I'm gonna pop it into the freezer for like 5–10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and add my oils to it. I'm assuming my wax is cooled down enough, and I really hope it has because I done messed around and got a little sleepy. So since I'm assuming it's cooled down enough, I'm gonna just grab my measuring cup so I can add in my essential oils and my smells and everything, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna take my 1 tablespoon measuring thing, and I'm gonna measure out. I'm gonna put more of the coconut than the sandalwood. So I'm gonna measure out, let's see. Okay. We're gonna pour it in a different way. Oh, it smells so coconutty. Okay. 1 tablespoon. 2 girl. Okay, so 3 tablespoons was the whole thing. So I need to go back to Hobby Lobby tomorrow. I'm only gonna put 2 tablespoons of the sandalwood because I want it to be more coconut. So yeah. So now I'm just going to, I'm gonna just use this same knife because that's what I've been using. And I'm gonna just stir my stuff in. And I'm gonna stir it in for a little while because you wanna make sure that the wax is absorbing the scent. Okay, so the jar actually has like this little like dip on the bottom. So I unfortunately will only be able to put 1 of the wood wicks in. I thought that it was a flat surface so I would be able to do this, but it is not. So since it is not a flat surface, I'm just going to place the wick in the center, and I think it will still get like an even burn all around the candle. So I'm just going to, I wish I knew how good this smells. So while it's still warm, before it starts to like congeal and everything, I'm just gonna pour it into the jar and put the top on it and just let it sit. Okay, so the wax has been poured into the candle. I'm gonna wait until it actually like finishes the hardening process. It's not that warm anymore, but it should be done by the morning. So in the morning, I'm gonna go ahead and trim my wick and light my candle and see if the smell is giving what I needed to give. So I'm gonna finally go to sleep, and I'll be back in the morning to see like how everything goes. Okay, so my candle is finished and I'm so excited. Yeah, it's solid. It smells really good. This is the candle. And I have my wood wick in. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and trim the wick. Alrighty, now that I've trimmed the wick, I cannot get over how good it smells. It smells so good. It smells like I put love in it. So, since I have trimmed my wick, I'm just going to light my candle and that's it. Why is this wick burning so fast? Okay, maybe I should have trimmed it a little bit lower because the wick is burning a little bit fast. I went wrong somewhere. I'm not sure where. Okay, it's staying lit now. Okay, so I didn't trim my wick low enough. But the candle is lit now. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep my candle lit for a few hours to see how the smell and everything goes about. And that's pretty much everything. Hopefully the steps were easy for you guys to follow. If you do not want to make a candle, let me know. I'll make it for you because I enjoy doing it. I'm definitely going to be making another one. I'm probably going to use like different scents and everything. But this was fun for me. I think I found a new hobby or something that I actually enjoy doing. So thank you again for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if you have any helpful tips or anything as I'm going through my candle making new hobby or whatever. But thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.